As you can see here, when you zoom in, I've got the corner on and I've got the plastic bars in, and it comes over the edge just like it shows in the video. And you can see I've got but it's short and it doesn't reach. So your engineer is telling me to pull it. So I want to show you what happens when you try to pull it. But you can see how short this is how short it is. We're going to go through the hole around the bar, and this is what he's saying to pull. Now, I have put the pull tool through the first hole and around the bar to try to pull it. Because when I pull it with my hands, I'm not strong enough. So I want you to watch how hard I try to pull this and it still won't reach. Okay, I've got the pull tool under here, around the bar, as you can see. It's over 2 inches short, even when pulling. When I pull as hard as I can, it won't come. And the tool starts breaking. I can pull with my hand. You can see, I can get it to stretch about, and maybe 3/4 of an inch, but it won't stretch more than that. I'll put the pull tool around the bar again. I'll try to, this is ridiculous. I don't know what you expect your customers to do, but push my foot back against it, pull as hard as I can, and it still doesn't reach the edge of it, and the tool's breaking. How hard do you have to pull? How hard does your engineer think somebody can pull before he admits he made a mistake? Engineer he is. And just to show you how hard I pulled, and it still didn't come within still wasn't even an inch of the edge. It was over an inch away. The tool, which is supposed to look like this, I pulled so hard, it started opening and bent the metal. How much harder does the guy think somebody can pull? He is absolutely the most incompetent engineer I've ever met.